Hello friends, I Jivika Mulmule would like to tell you about our country, India. India is a country of diversity and traditions, famous for its rich culture and heritage. Friends, did you know how our country is formed? No. Come, let me show you. About 225 million years ago, the states were united in a single landmass called Pangaea. The Pangaea was surrounded by the sea named Panthalassa. Due to the change inside the earth about 250 million years ago, the Tethys Sea started dividing the Pangaea into two supercontinents called Laurasia and Gondwana. And around 80 million years ago, the Indian subcontinent started a northward drift, and then 50 million years ago, the Indian plates collided with Eurasian plates. This is how our beautiful country, India, emerged into large land masses. Our country has beautiful landforms which can be seen in the physical map of India. Starting from the ground from our country, the Himalayan mountain ranges, the plains famously referred to the Indo-Gangetic plains, the plateau region, the long coastline, the islands, and the western desert. Dear friends, would you like to know about the Great Himalayas? Come, let me take you to the mountain range. The Indian continental plates collided with Eurasia. It created the Himalayas. In Sanskrit, the Himalayas means abode of snow. These Himalayas are the youngest and the highest mountain in the world. It stretches from Jammu and Kashmir and Arunachal Pradesh. Friends, if you look at the shape of the mountain, it has a pointed top. It is called a peak. And most of the peaks in the Himalayas remain snow-covered throughout the year.
The Mount Everest in the Himalayas is the highest peak in the world. It lies on the border between Nepal and China. The Himalayas consist of three parallel ranges. They are the Greater Himalaya or Himadri, the Middle Himalaya or Himachal, and the Outer Himalaya or Shivalik. Let us know about these three ranges. The Greater Himalaya is in the extreme north. It is the highest of the three ranges. It remains covered with snow throughout the year. Glaciers are found in these mountains. Many rivers such as Indus, Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra originate from these glaciers. The Middle Himalaya lies towards the south of the Greater Himalaya. In this range, the mountains are covered with thick forest. Many hill stations such as Shimla Nainital and Darjeeling are located here. The Outer Himalaya is located towards the south of the Middle Himalaya. This range is also covered with forest and many wild animals are found in the forest.
Let's move to the another landform of our country, that is deserts. The land towards the west of Aravalli Hills in Rajasthan is rocky and sandy. This is the Great Indian Desert, also known as the Thar Desert. It stretches from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat through Rajasthan to the border of Haryana. It remains hot and dry throughout the year and receives very little or no rainfall.
Hello friends, now let's move towards the plateaus and the islands. The southern plateaus. The southern plateaus are located to the south of the northern plains. They are triangular in shape and are surrounded by hill ranges. The surface of the plateau region is rocky and uneven. Most of the rivers in the southern plateaus are not long as those in the northern plains. However, they flow with great speed. On their way, they form waterfalls. River Narmada roughly divides plateau region into two parts. They are the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. The islands. There are many small islands along the coast. Away from the coast, there are two big island groups. These are Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in the Bay of Bengal. The 10-degree channel separates the Andaman from the Nicobar Island. The islands in this group are hilly. Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep is a group of islands in the Arabian Sea. These islands are flat. Coconut is the main crop grown here. Hope friends have enjoyed the tour to the main physical features of our country. Thank you.